Here I've got Xiaomi Black Shark 2 and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open system and then go to date and time. And here you can either have an automatic date and time or you can turn it off by tapping here, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what the date and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone, and here you can set it up. So at first let's pick the region and then time zone if available. And finally you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock. It's up to you. So that would be all. That's how you can change date and time in your device, and whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switches and now it will be all set up automatically. So this is it. That will be all. So you can smoothly and easily set up date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.